Hi guys, good evening to all of you.
Good
So
evening,
let
sir.
us start our session. Yeah, I think everyone hearing me, right? Do you
Yes,
hear
sir.
me? Okay. Yeah. So let us start. Yes. First of all, about myself. First of all, about myself. Yes, this is Nageswar Rao. Nageswar Rao. Yes, having 22 years of experience. 22 years of experience in software field. Okay. Yes, 22 years of experience, worked on 25 projects. 25 projects, completed 25 projects. Out of 25, 15 projects, 15 projects directly involved in the coding. 15 projects directly, yes, involved in the coding, involved in the coding. Okay, directly involved in the coding. Okay, next 10 projects provided solutions. 10 projects provided solutions. Okay, solutions. Right, okay. Yes, my most of the experience on Java. Okay, next. Yes, big data. Yes, big data and Hadoop. Hadoop development and admin both here. In Hadoop development as admin here. Next, and yes, and Linux. And Linux, yes, Linux, including admin. Yes, not audible. Hello guys, my voice, is it audible or not?
Yeah, it is audible.
Audible? Yeah,
Yes.
Krishna, please, from Krishna saying that not audible. Yes, Krishna, please try to reconnect. Krishna, please. Yes, just reconnect. Yes, rejoin into session so that you can, yes, reach a problem is from your side. Rejoin. Krishna, that guy, please rejoin into session. Okay. Yes. So this most of the experience on Java, big data, and Hadoop, next Linux, including admin. Yes, very good experience. Okay, lot of experience. Okay, many technologies, lot of experience. Now presently, yes, presently I'm working for, yes, I'm working for Silo Tech Private Limited. Working for, yes, Silo Tech Private Limited. So for this office I'm working here. For this company I'm working here. Silo Tech Private Limited Hyderabad. Yes, for this I'm working here. Okay. Yes, my role. Yes, solution architect. Solution architect. My role is, yes, solution architect. Okay, solution architect for Hadoop and Java projects. Java projects. Java projects. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yes, 1 second. Someone asking some doubts. Yes, are you speaking as well? Can you see shared screen? I can see, but I am not able to hear you. One second. Yes, one more guy not able to hear. Okay. Hash. Okay. Paranjape. Yes. Please rejoin. Please rejoin into session. Rejoin into session. Okay. Yes. Please rejoin. Yes. Please rejoin into session if not audible. if not audible. If not audible. Yes, others are able to audible. Yes, others. For others, yes, for others, it is audible. Yes, it is audible for others.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, it's audible for others. Yeah, this guy, please rejoin. Please rejoin. Okay. Krishna, are you able to? Hello? Hello? Krishna, that guy saying that not audible. Yes, Krishna, is it audible? Yes, is it audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you, okay. So you rejoined, right? Okay,
Yeah.
it's audible. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, if yes, please rejoin the session. If not audible, please rejoin. Anyone, please rejoin. Okay, please rejoin. If not audible, okay, right? Yes. Okay. So this is about myself. Okay. Yes. So yes, my name is Nageswar Rao, having 22 years of experience, 25 projects worked here. Yes, 15 projects directly involved in the coding here, 10 projects provided solutions. Most of the experience Java, Big Data, Hadoop, next Linux admin area, and then embedded C also. Yes, I worked on embedded C. At my beginning career, embedded C. Later switched to Java and Hadoop. Okay, embedded C also I worked. Very good experience in Linux base. So because of Hadoop admin area, I got very good experience in Linux base. Okay, right? Yes. Next, this is about myself. Now here, yes, maybe some question. What is prerequisites? What is prerequisites to learn Linux? Maybe this doubt. To learn Linux here. What is prerequisites to learn Linux? Okay, nothing. Nothing required. I'm not expecting anything from you. Okay, nothing required here. Nothing required. Nothing required. Yes, non-IT. Yes, non-IT guy also can understand. Non-IT guy also can understand. Okay. Yes, can understand here. Non-IT guy also can understand. Okay. Yes, non-IT. Yes, non-IT background. Non-IT background guy also can understand this. Okay. Yes, I'll be starting from very basics. Okay, no expectations from you. No expectations, nothing here. I'm starting from very basics. Okay, right? Next. Yes, next one. What's the syllabus going to cover here? Yes, what's the syllabus? Okay, so what's the syllabus going to cover here? Syllabus. Okay, yeah, this is our course including admin also. Including admin. So first initially software basics. We will discuss about software basics. Software basics. After that, after software basics here, Linux and Unix basics. Linux and Unix basics. Basics. Okay. Yes. After that, next architecture. Yes, that OS architecture. Okay, architecture going to discuss. Linux and Unix architecture. Yes, after finishing architecture, next installing. Yes, how to install Linux base. Installing Linux base. Okay, Linux installing Linux base in the system here. Step by step, I'll explain it. Okay. Next, even I will provide the software. So don't worry about software here. I will provide the Linux software. Yes, I will tell you step by step. Then I will provide the software. Okay. Next, class document also I will provide it. Okay, next. Yes, next after finishing this one here, installing Linux base. After that, then file system. Linux file system going to discuss. After finishing file system, yes, next. Yes, next topic is user level comments. User level. Okay. Yes, user level 100%. Every command will discuss. Yes, every command user level. Yes, every command will be discussing here. Yes, every command, all the commands will discuss user level. Okay. Next, after this shell scripting, most important one is shell scripting here. Okay. Yes, 10, yes, this is minimum 10 classes, 10 sessions, shell scripting, 10 sessions. Yes, first initial topic, these are 10 sessions. So first initial up to this is 10 sessions will be taken here. Up to this is it's a 10 sessions. Okay, 10 sessions. Okay. Yes, up to this topic, up to this topic, 10 sessions, shell scripting 10 sessions. Okay, next. Yes, next is admin topic. Yes, admin. So this is 1 week topic here. Admin, 7 sessions. 7 sessions here. Okay, admin, Linux admin, admin commands, Linux administration. Okay, admin commands, 7 sessions here. Totally here, yes, your course 25 to 30 days. 25 to 30 days. So maximum I'll try to finish in 25 days only here. Okay, next projects, one real-time projects. Yes, real-time project going to explain here. Real-time projects using shell scripting. Yes, using shell scripting. Yes, some real-time project we are going to discuss here using shell scripting. Okay, just real-time projects, right? Okay, so these are the course contents. Okay, for all the things I have prepared documents. Okay, documents. Let me show the documents here. Linux documents. Linux doc. These are documents. Okay. Yes, it's a document. Yes, it's around 100 pages document here. It's a 100-page document here. So first, basics, all the software basics here. After finishing all the basics here, Linux, Unix. Okay, Linux, Unix, that features. Okay, all the Linux and Unix basics here, architecture. Okay, yes, after finishing that, yes, about interpreter, compiler, these all the software basics. You must have this knowledge here. Okay, these things. Yes, after this, next Linux distributions like Ubuntu Linux OS. What is Ubuntu? What is like? What is Mint OS? What is Red Hat OS? What is Fedora? Like different CentOS, like different distributions we'll be discussing. Okay, after this, next Linux file system. Before this, installation steps. Linux installation steps. Okay. Yes, Linux installation steps. Next, Linux file system. See, Linux installation. So here may be doubt here. What is system requirements? Yes, system requirements. System requirements for installation Linux here. Okay. Yes, basic system is enough here. Yes, maybe 500 GB disk. 500 GB disk enough here. Okay. For Linux part is 200 GB enough here. Suppose in your system, maybe 1 TB disk is there. Yes, 200 GB partition you can allocate for the Linux base. So how to allocate 200 GB? Yes, even 20 GB also okay. 20 GB disk also we can, no problem, because only Linux practice. Suppose if it is Hadoop practice, that case 200 GB required. But Linux practice, 20 GB enough here. 20 GB disk is enough here. Suppose in your system maybe 500 GB disk. Out of 500 GB, 20 GB for Linux you can use. Okay. Yes. Next. Yes. 4 GB RAM. 4 GB memory enough. Okay. 8 GB, 16 GB not required here. 4 GB RAM is enough here. Okay. Next, i3 processor. Your system i3 processor enough. Not more than that. High-end processor not required. i3. This is system requirements enough here. Okay. Next. Yes. For you guys, I'll give the software. See here. In your system, there's a Windows already. Already Windows 10 is there in your system. Windows 10. Yes, in Windows 10. Yes, first we should install VMware. Yes, that workstation here. So VMware software. Yes, I'll give the VMware software. Okay. So VMware. Next, Ubuntu Linux. Yes, I'll give the Ubuntu Linux. Linux 16.0 LTS long-term support. That ISO file I can give it here. That ISO file. Okay. Next, apart from this, class documents. The class documents. I'll provide class document also. It's class documents. Okay. Class documents. Okay. These things available in Durga drive. Durga Google Drive. In Google Drive available here, you can take from the Google Drive. Okay, so these are available in Google Drive. Okay, Google Drive. It's available in Google Drive. So still, if you facing problem, just you can contact me. Just you can contact me. Yes, I'll be creating WhatsApp group. Yes, I'll be creating WhatsApp group for all of the guys. Okay, I think around yes some 10 members are there for all of this. I'll be creating WhatsApp group. Okay, WhatsApp group I'll be creating here. Yes, in that group you can talk to me. Yes, any doubts you can send me. Okay, yes, any doubts, yes, you can ping me in WhatsApp group. Okay, right? Yes, yes, tomorrow I'll give my WhatsApp number. Okay, just you ping me, I will add to WhatsApp group. Okay, right?
Okay.
So this is, yes, from Google Drive you can get the software here. Okay, yes, every guidance is there for you guys. All the guidance is there. Okay, every minute I can guide you. In WhatsApp group you can ping me. Yes, I'll respond immediately. Suppose in office sometimes maybe busy with meetings, that time may not be responding here. After finishing meeting, I'll check the your group messages, I'll respond immediately. Right? Okay, next, very useful, that is. Yes, 1 second. Somebody is asking out. We need to separately install Linux in our PC, or we can use, yes, VMware. See, in our system, they say Windows OS. On top of that, VMware. After installing VMware, now instead of VMware, we should install that Linux base. Yes, we ought to install Linux base. First Windows OS. On top of that, VMware. Yes, VMware workstation. This is. I'm starting that. Yes, in VMware, this is Linux base. Okay, VMware, one second. This is a VMware. Yes, in VMware, Ubuntu is 64-bit. Power on this virtual machine. Yes, now I'm starting Linux base. Yes, starting Linux base. Here is starting Linux base. Okay, on top of VMware, Linux you have to install. Yes, these steps I'll explain. Don't worry. Don't you worry about all these steps here. I'll explain very clearly. Right? Okay. Yes. Right. Okay. So these are the system requirements. Clear? Okay. Yes. Now this is a document. Yes, that 100-page document here. This is okay. So installation steps I'll explain very clearly. Okay. Yes. Next, Linux file system. All these file system. Next, how to create new users. After installing Linux base, you have to create new users. Creation of new users. Okay. Yes. Next, commands. That user level commands. ls command. Different options. Okay, this is file system, the tree structure, Linux tree. After finishing Linux tree, next command starting here, user level commands. Okay, all these user level commands, ls command, its options, date command, calendar command, all these options here. Okay, after finishing this, next directories. How to work with the directories, creation of directories, deletion of directories, renaming directories, got these things. Next, path concept, absolute path and relative path. Yes, absolute path and relative path concept. Yes, after finishing this path concept here, next working with files. So how to work with the files here? Okay. Yes, Monday to Saturday class. Monday to Saturday. Weekend is rare case. Okay. Monday to Saturday class taking here. Monday to Saturday. Okay. 9 o'clock to 10:15 daily. Yes. Monday to Saturday. Monday to Saturday. Okay. Yes, so time. Yes, 9 to 10:15 p.m. Okay. Suppose if extending, maybe sometimes maybe 10:30, not more than that. 10:30 max is 10:30 p.m. Okay. If extending, yes, extending class, then up to 10:30, not more than that. Okay, right? Yes, Monday to Saturday. Okay. Yes, course duration 25 to 30 days. 25 to 30 days. That's it here. 25 to 30 days. Okay, right? Yeah. Yes, working with files, file operations like creating file, displaying all this. Okay. So all this. There are user level commands, creation of link files, hot link and soft link files, user level. This is next, copying files between the folders and directories using path, absolute path, and yes, relative path concept here, using path concepts. Okay. Next, pattern matching characters like star, how to star, question mark, this pattern matching, searching for the files, filtering files, filtering files. Okay. Yes. Yes. Why most of the companies are asking for Unix, Linux only? Reason, I'll tell you. Reason is here Linux is secure. Because of security reasons, most of the companies are asking for Linux and Unix. Yes, in features I'll explain. Linux and Unix features, that time I will explain very clearly. Why Linux got this much of popularity. Reason we'll discuss. Okay. So this is filtering options here. Okay. Yes, next. Yes, editors, gedit. Okay, after gedit command, gedit editor. Next, VI editor, visual editor. Somewhat complicated this editor. How to work with VI editor? VI editor. After VI editor, next nano. Working with nano editor. Okay, after working with nano editor here, how to develop the C programming in Linux space? Embedded C in Linux space. Steps. Okay, embedded C in Linux space here. Next, yes, Python. How to develop Python in Linux space? Developing Python applications in Linux space. Okay, after Python, next. Yes, next. Yes, Java. How to develop Java in Linux space? Java installation. Yes, setting path, Java paths. Okay, next Java applications development here and comparison and running all this Java application developments. Yes, after finishing Java application development here, next MySQL. Yes, how to work with MySQL in Linux space. Installing MySQL here, installing, then working with MySQL. So this topic, how to work with MySQL in Linux space. Here, okay. Next, Linux filters like pipe is one of the filters. Pipe. Okay, next redirection operators. Next, head and tail commands, head commands. Next, tail commands, these things. Next, grep, one of the important command, grep, searching pattern command. This is grep command and different options, various options in grep commands. Next, tar, like a zip. Yes, archive files. Windows ways creating some zip files, right? Like that in Linux, how to create zip files. Tar command, a tar command and gzip commands. Okay, these things. Yes, after finishing, next most important is file permissions, security concept. So why Linux is having this much of demand in the market? Reason is security. So how to get the security in Linux space? Yes, Linux and Unix operating systems, there is no chance of virus and hacking your data because of the security concept here. So how to make it security here? The topic, permissions topic, granting permissions and revoking permissions. Okay, without permissions no one can hack your data. Okay, yes, you must have the, yes, that hacker program must have permission, otherwise cannot. Okay, that case. So the topic, the permissions topic comes under this category here. Change mode, changing ownership of the file, changing group of the file. Yes, all these are user level commands. Yes, up to this topic is a user level commands. Yes, process, how to kill the process. Suppose some job is running here, if you want to kill it, how to kill that job here. So all these are comes under, yes, user level commands. User level commands. So first 10 days this topic, user level commands. Next, shell scripting. Yes, work with bash, varnish shell, cornish, k shell, yes, c shell and bash shell, all the different types of shells. Okay, shell variables. Yes, what is, yes, working with bash shell. Okay, shell scripting here, how to develop the shell scripting, the steps. Next, variables, shell variables like environment variables, user defined variables. Next, different levels of variables like system variables, like session variables, user level variables, system level variables, like different scopes of variables here. About variables. Okay, next, how to create log files. Next, how to use command line parameters in shell scripting, command line parameters. Next, creation of log files with the timestamp, using timestamp, creating log file like this. Okay, yes. Next, after this, how to read data from the keyboard, reading data from the keyboard. Next, how to prepare the records, preparing some records, record format, how to prepare record format. Yeah, these are some related to real time, all the shell scripting topics. Okay, next operators. How to use operators like mathematical operators, relational, logical operators. Okay, mathematical operators. Examples. Okay, is control statement like if statement, case statement, while loop, for loop, until loop. Here these things. How to use all of these things here. So on these various examples, if statement, different types of if statements, simple if else, nested if, ladder if, different types of all the types of if statements. Okay, then different kind of examples in if statement, many examples. In shell scripting, almost 50 programs going to discuss, 50 examples going to discuss here. Okay, all the programs here. Okay, yes, file test in real time. How to test the files here? Files existence, file size checking here. Next, is it file or directory here? Read permission, write permission, execute permission, checking for owner or not. Next, time checking like this. Yes, next strings comparison. Yes, all this. Yes, on these various examples, many examples prepared here. Yes, almost more than 50 examples you can see here. Here, this is shell script using log file. Adding log file to shell scripting. This is creation of log file. Okay, shell script using log file. This is okay. So a very big script, some real-time script. This is how to use case statement in shell using case statement. Yes, case statement, different kind of example, many based applications, that case using case statement. Okay, next while loop. How to use while loop? Okay, while loop examples. Yes, many examples are there in while loop. Okay, after finishing while loop, yes, next until loop. How to use until loop? Yes, next for loop. Okay, for loop mostly used in real time for loop here. For loop different kind of scenarios. Okay, all the scenarios. For loop, yes, many examples prepared in for loop. All these shell scripting examples. Okay, yes, here not only explaining commands here, where to use in real time. Okay, so whatever I worked in real time, all the topics I'll be covering. Don't worry here. All are real time related topics. Okay, my experience, I'm going to yes explain everything here. Okay, yes, next advanced filters in Linux phase. Yes, advanced filters like cut commands, how to use cut commands. Okay, next how to use some paste commands. Okay, paste command. Next sorting data, how to sort data using sort commands. This is sorting data. Sorting, ASCII based sorting and number based sorting. Sorting. Okay, sorting, descending order, ascending order like this. Sorting here. Okay, after sorting, next arc programming, AWK. Arc tool. This is one of the important filtering tool here. How to use arc? That AWK programming. Okay, AWK programming. Next, shell script functions here. Yes, like C and Java here, functions concept is available. How these functions here? Different types of functions. Functions with no arguments, no written value. Function with arguments, written value. Function with arguments, no written value. No argument, no written, like different types of functions. Like C and Java, here also functions concept is available. So how to develop the functions? That concept is available here. Yes, different examples on functions here. See that examples, all the examples, shell scripting examples. Is it shell scripting? Okay, yes, in your document most of the topic is shell scripting. This is so many things are there, many examples going to discuss in shell scripting. Next, Linux administration. Yes, in Linux administration here, basic commands. Okay, next user authentication here, group administration here. Next, how to manage sh. Okay, disabling root and all these things here. Okay, yes, installing softwares. Okay, networking basics, networking commands. Okay, next killing, how to kill the process here, backups and restore. Okay, like this. Cron jobs, all this. See this. FTP, how to use FTP, then FileZilla, these things here. Okay, next we are going to discuss a putty tool and WinSTP tools also. Kernel process here. Okay, yes, services, scripting, all this. Okay, yes, switching to admin, then working with Linux base. Cron jobs, first the cron jobs. After finishing cron jobs here, so next topic, file system checking, disk free space checking here, disk usage, disk free space and disk usage. Okay, next installing softwares. Yes, as the admin, how to install softwares. Okay, different softwares installation, the steps, softwares installation. Next, how to manage the users and groups here. Group creation, creating groups, deleting groups. Yes, user adding users, creation of new users, password resetting here. Okay, next, deleting users, modifying users like this. That users management here. Next, system date and time. So how to change it as admin here. Okay. Next, changing ownership of the file here. Changing group name of the file like this. All the admin commands. Networking setup. Okay. Yes, taking some 10 computers. How to set up network here. Okay. Network setup this is. In networking setup, IP address configure. First IP address. How to configure the IP address. Okay. IP address configuration here. Okay. Next. After this, ping you. How to ping for network neighbor system. Checking for IP address. If config command. Yes, checking for IP address. Pinging for IP and yes, pinging for neighbor systems. So checking for network connectivity here. Checking for network connectivity here. Okay. Next, host names. Yeah, DNS names. See, www.facebook.com. It's a DNS name for the server, right? Like the DNS names. Okay, yes, in place of IP address, DNS names. How to configure DNS names? Yes, etc host file. Okay, using that DNS configurations. Okay, next SSH secure shell. Yes, secure shell. Yes, to transfer data one system to other system network here. Secure shell here. Okay, sorry, these to work with remote systems. Yes, working with remote system. Suppose from India, how to work with the US data center. SSH using SSH remote system. Okay, for remote system we can putty. See this is a putty using putty. Yes, this is a putty tool. Yes, put using putty connect to Linux. Putty tool working with putty. Next, WinSCP tool. Yes, to transfer yes Windows files to Linux base. Okay, WinSCP like all the tools. This is my office laptop only here. Okay, yes, this is my personal laptop using for office as well as for the class also. Okay, this complete environment, our office environment. This is okay. Visual Studio Code. This is using for the Python purpose. Okay, right. Yes, next. Next here, SCP command, secure copy to copy the files one system to other system, copying the remote system like this. Okay. Next, working with FTP. How to use FTP? These all are networking tools and real-time related. So whatever I worked in real time, same thing going to discuss. Okay, that's all the FTP commands. After finishing FTP, finally is a project. Project using shell scripting here. Yes, project. Adding new user, searching for user, modifying user, resetting password, delete user, display all users, count of user. Yes, is a scripting. Yes, updating users. Yes, see add user. Yes, script. Yes, that function here. Add user function, searching for user function here, modify user like this. It's a big script. Yes, real-time project this is. All these projects. Finally, Linux interview questions. So these are the topics we're going to discuss. Okay. Yes, I have very good experience. Any kind of doubt you can ask in Linux base. Any doubts, no problem. No issue, including admin going to cover. Yes, 90% of admin commands will be discussing. Okay, some topics may not be covering because of it's online. So physical setup is there. I can cover those topics also. Some topics like some taking some backups. Okay, practically showing networking setup. Yes, networking setup I'll show that, but not practically here. I'll explain how to connect the network and all the things. Okay, right? Yeah. So 90% of admin commands will be discussing. That remaining 10% is yes, because that physical setup required. Yes, it is just online class. In online class, yes, we can't discuss that remaining 10% is 90% of admin commands will discuss. When it comes to user level, everything, many commands we will discuss. Okay, every command practically here. I'll show practically. Okay, yes, in Linux space, this is login demo user. Yes, Linux base all the commands practically I will explain very clearly. Okay, It's not only about command, where to use that command in real time. Okay, real time scenarios. Okay, so what are I worked here? So completely my working experience. Okay, I'll show my experience for you. I'll show for you. Okay, it's a transfer of my experience. Okay, 20 years of experience I'm utilizing you. Okay, right? Yeah. So these are the things going to discuss. Okay, so for this 25 to 30 days here. Okay, right? Yes, for you guys, I'm creating WhatsApp group. Okay, WhatsApp group. Yes, in that group we can ask any doubts. Yes, it's very useful WhatsApp group. Every day, yes, some discussions going on in the group here. Yes, some guy asking doubt. Maybe others will be responding. Sometimes I'll be responding here. Okay, suppose any issues facing, you just ping into WhatsApp, I'll support. Okay, any issue in installation or any something, yes, you want to just you can ping in WhatsApp group, I'll respond it. Okay, not only myself here, even group members also will be responding here. Okay, yes, yes, maybe your batch will be 10 to 12 members batch, I think. Okay, after finishing your batch here, this group I will add to old students group is there. Yes, old students almost more than 100 members group is there. Okay, yes, I will add to that group. Okay, in future any requirements in companies they will post into group, so there is chance of assisting you in getting job. Yes, in my company any openings are there, I'll post into that group. Okay, not only myself, even group members also working for some companies, they will post into their group here. Okay, so that easy to get the jobs, assisting others, that is very helpful. That group is very helpful here. Okay, for everything it's very helpful, right? Okay, yes. So that's all about myself. Next, course contents, prerequisites. Okay, right? Now this course is for whom? Yes, maybe doubt getting here. For whom this course here? First, yes, Linux. First, for Linux admins, very useful. Apart from Linux admins here, yes, who are learning AWS and working on AWS and DevOps. DevOps. Okay. Yes, AWS and DevOps, very useful for them here, this course. Okay. Next, particularly Hadoop is very important. Okay. For Hadoop admins, yes, Hadoop admins and developers. Admins and developers, very useful this is. Okay. Next, Python. Yes, nowadays many are using Python on Linux base. So Python developers, for Python developers is very useful here. Okay. Yes, next, testers. For testing guys, yes, very useful this course. Okay. This course designed for commonly for all. Of course, more than your requirements and explanation, including admin. For support testers and these guys, maybe admin commands not required. Okay, these admin commands may be required for the Hadoop admins and AWS and DevOps here. Okay, yes, testing. Yes, sometimes Java developers also. For Java developers also required here. Reason is nowadays projects are running on Linux base. So Java developers. Okay, Java developers. Next, who are working on cloud environments. Yes, I will explain what is cloud. Yes, in our topic, I will discuss about cloud also. Okay, what is cloud? What's the reason why using cloud? The cloud concepts I'll explain here. So cloud environment, who are working on cloud environments, so for them also very useful, because cloud environment completely on Linux base. Cloud means storage. The storage is on Linux base. Okay. Yes. Suppose who are working data centers. Yes, somebody working on data centers. For them also it's very useful here. Okay. Next, one more important one. Yes, database admins. Database admins. Very useful this is. DBA. The DBA guys. DBA guys. DBA guys have to develop the shell scripting. Okay, how to develop DBA guys shell scripting. The topic also will be discussing this is. It's very useful for them this is. Okay, right? Yeah, these are the areas where our course is fit. Okay, for Linux admins, for AWS DevOps, Hadoop admins and developers here, Python developers, testers, Java developers, cloud environment here, cloud environment. Okay, next, data centers maintenance here. Next, database admins, very suitable for the database admins. Right? Okay. Yes. Now, as a beginner, you can start this career. As a beginner, yes. As a beginner, yes, you can choose. You can choose Linux career. Okay, you can choose Linux career. Okay, many jobs in market. Lot of demand is there in Linux base. Okay, yes, you can choose Linux career. Yes, you can go with Linux career. Okay, it's a long career, even highly paid also. Yes, I can guide you how to get the jobs in Linux base. Okay, yes, after finishing our course, yes, our course, yes, you can put up, yes, you can put up, yes, 4 to 5 years of experience. 5 years of experience. That much of topics we will discuss. Okay, yes, this much of experience you can put up here. Okay, 4 to 5 years of experience you can put up here. So how to put up the experience? How to, yes, prepare the resume? Yes, I'll explain. So don't worry. Yes, I'll explain resume preparation. Okay, every assistance will be there in WhatsApp group. I'll be the assistance. Every assistance is there. Okay, you can put up 4 to 5 years of experience with this course, with our course. Yes, completely practical is a live experience. Complete its live experience. Okay, right? Next, one more thing here. Class notes not necessary here. Class. Okay, class notes not necessary. Don't write anything here. Okay, don't write. Not required here. I have prepared documents. Okay, yes, don't write any notes here. Yes, so don't focus on writing here. Okay, every topic I'll prepare very clearly. This document, in document, every topic is there, right from the basics. Every topic is there. This document, same as my order of explanation. Yes, with my experience, I prepared this document. This document is completely my experience. Okay, just you can follow this document here. Okay, next, one more thing, every day after finishing class, after finishing class, videos will be uploaded. Yes, videos. Yes, videos will be uploading. Okay, videos will be uploading. Okay, yes, anyone missing class, yes, you can watch that videos. Yes, if you missing class here, yes, okay, if you missing sometimes due to heavy work in office, if you missing session, yes, then you can watch videos here. Okay, session. If that case, yes, you can watch. We can, yes, you can watch that videos. You can watch it here. Okay, yes, that assistance. Yes, that assistance for 1 year. For 1 year, I will be here. 1 year we can watch it. Okay. Yes, repeatedly you can watch it. 1 year you can watch it here. Okay. Suppose any case, if you want to attend next batch also, you can attend. By suppose, yes, due to some reasons, maybe at the middle of the course, if you terminated, you can attend next batch also. Will allow. Okay. Already, I think 2 or 3 guys are, yes, 2 or 3 guys are attending this batch. That world students, you can attend, no problem. Assistance for 1 year. Okay. Yes. Suppose if not able to attend this batch, you can attend next batch also. At the middle, maybe terminated due to some reasons here, you can attend next batch also. Okay. Suppose today busy with some office work. In that case, you can take the videos. Yes, every day videos will be uploading. Okay, after finishing class, immediately we are uploading video. You can watch it. Yes, repeatedly you can watch it. Right, okay. Next, any doubts are there, you can ask me. Yes, you can ping into WhatsApp, I'll respond it. Right, okay. So that's all about our course and all the things here. Right, okay. Yes, I'm starting from very basic. Okay. Yes, now regarding this, any doubts regarding course topics? Okay, regarding course topics, her timings and duration, any course details, any doubts?
Hello?
Yes, about course contents. Course contents you can take from the online team. Yes, online team course contents you can take it. Otherwise, I'll send in WhatsApp. Yes, in WhatsApp group I'll send course contents. Okay, course content I'll be sending WhatsApp group, or else you can take from the online team. Okay. Yes, any doubts?
Hello?
Yes, if don't you have doubts, I'll be entering into topic. Yes, I'll be starting session. Till now only introduction. Okay. Yes, no doubts.
No,
Yeah, I have a doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, as you told after, actually I have 10 years of experience in mobile application. Actually,
Okay.
I'm planning to migrate, to cloud actually. As you told, they will pay
Okay.
good and all. So that's why like first,
Yeah. Yeah.
as as a basic, I'm planning to learn the language. So as you told, like,
Yeah.
can you slide down the notepad, whatever you have written, right? In that, like
Yeah.
AWS,
Yeah.
DevOps, and Hadoop. Actually, I mean, only without DevOps, whether I can go, I mean, after, let's say I learn Linux and AWS, with this,
Yes.
like, I can get a job, or else I have to learn some,
Yeah.
some tools
No,
with DevOps.
DevOps is not mandatory here. Linux and AWS. Okay,
Okay,
Linux and AWS level also you can get the jobs here. Purely only working on AWS. DevOps is not compulsory. Okay. Suppose if you have the DevOps experience also, yes, more priority for you.
okay,
Okay, DevOps experience also will be good. Will be have more priority. Linux, AWS enough to get into job to work. With AWS only we can work here, no problem. DevOps is not mandatory. Suppose
yeah,
if you have the DevOps experience also, then you'll get the more priority and more package also. Right? Okay, that priority will be there always.
okay. One more
I
doubt.
think it's clear, right?
Yes, yes, it's clear.
Yeah.
One more doubt on top of it. As I told, like I have 10 years experience in mobile application. When I'm
Okay.
migrating, when I keep experience on, let's say, AWS and Linux, right? Whether
Yeah, you
I,
can put up you from your company already working in that company. From that company, instead of put up this mobile experience, you can yes mobile development experience. In place of that, you can put up this experience. From the same company, you can put up the experience. Okay,
okay,
because in
okay,
your company also using Linux base, right? In our company also it will be using Linux base. You can put up same experience from the your company. Okay,
so my doubt
Linux
is,
put up.
yeah, my doubt is
Okay.
like whether AWS some certification is required to, because we are moving to
Yeah,
cloud, right?
yeah,
AWS,
yeah. 1 second. About certification, suppose AW, if you have the AWS certification, yes, if you have that certification, your yes, entry becomes easy.
okay,
Without
okay,
any primary interview, they will take you. Okay, AWS. Then they will go for the system testing experience here. Okay. Yes, entry level is very easy here. If you have the certification here, yes, entry becomes easy. Okay.
okay,
Yes,
okay. Thank
otherwise you don't have certification, they will start from the basics. They will ask for the basics here. After finishing basics, they will ask about your experience. What's the work you work? What you work here? Suppose if you have the certification here, they won't touch any basics. Okay, directly can yes, you'll be entering here. So but don't you
you.
have the certification means written test will be there, system test will be various levels you have to. So certification is a directly entry will be there. Right? Okay. Yes, next. Any other
Yeah,
doubts?
no,
Yeah,
thank you.
yeah. 1 second. Anytime you can ask me doubt here. Yes, I'll be creating WhatsApp group here. Any kind of doubt you can ask me. I have a lot of experience. Just the thing is you have to utilize me. Okay. Yes, I'm more than the industry, more than the Google. Yes, any kind of doubt you can ask me here. More than the Google. Yes, sometimes Google may be giving wrong information, but from me you'll get the correct information. Okay. Yes, like Linux area, Java area, Hadoop area, okay, next database area, all these areas I have very good experience. You can ask any doubt from any of these things. Okay, I have that much of experience. Yes, even personal career guidance also you can ask. Next, how to prepare the resume, how to put up experience. Okay, so how to prepare best resume. Okay, those things. Okay, as a Java developer, how to put up experience here. As a Linux admin, how to put up experience here. Yes, as the AWS person, how to put up experience here. Next, tester, how to put up experience. Yes, all the cases I can guide you. For everyone I can guide you. That is my experience. Okay, yes, my experience I should tell it, right? So I can. Okay, yes. Now here for Linux, I'm not expecting anything from you. What is prerequisite to learn Linux phase? Nothing. I'm not expecting anything from you. Okay. Even non-IT backgrounds, even non-IT background guy also can understand. Suppose any non-IT background guy, he wanted to yes change the software field. Yes, he can choose Linux career. Very long career Linux phase. Okay. Since 2000 year Linux is going on. Yes, since last 20 years Linux is going on, right? After cloud came to the picture, lot of demand for Linux base. Cloud computing Linux base only here. Okay, so there's a lot of demand with Linux base. So many jobs, many openings available in Linux base. It's a long career, even a highly paid job also. Okay, yes, you can choose your Linux career. You can choose Linux career. Okay, yes, I will guide you how to interview, how to face the interviews and all these things. Okay, yes, I'm starting from very beginning. Yes, computer aware. Yes, all of the case I'm treating like a very beginner. That's the reason I'm starting from very basics. Okay, starting with basics and I will take to high end. Yes, you'll see after finishing 20% of syllabus, you'll see like a high end topics. Okay, yes, first 3-4 days we are just first 1 week little basics here. Next week we'll see high end topics. Okay, right? Yes, now I'm starting from basics here. Yes, computer aware. Yes, computer aware basically, yes, two categories. Yes, there is a hardware, hardware and software, right? Hardware and software. So hardware and software. So what is hardware here? Hardware. Yes, hardware. These are physical components, right? These are physical components. These are physical components of a computer. Physical components. Physical components. Okay, like keyboard, like keyboards. Okay, yes, keyboard. Yes, next the mouse. Okay, next maybe hard disk. Yes, maybe motherboard. Yes, all of these things. Okay, motherboard. Okay, RAM memory. Okay, RAM, processor, all things comes under hardware components. Okay, these we can touch it, right? Hardware components are physical components, we can touch it here. Okay, but this is not our part. Our part, we are software engineers. So let us move to software here. What is software? Yes, in software everything is program. In software everything is a program. Okay, everything is a program. Okay, everything is a program. Okay, it's a collection of programs. What is software? Yes, it is a collection of programs. It's a collection of programs. It's a collection of programs. Okay, such as C program. Yes, maybe C++. Yes, maybe Java. Yes, maybe yes SQL programs like this. All the programs, maybe Hadoop programs, something like this. Okay, yes, it's a collection of programs. Everything is programming this. Okay, next in software, basically two categories. First one, system software. System software. Second one is application software. System software, next application software. System software, next application software. Okay, yes, Linux comes under system software. System software. Okay, yes, Java is the application software, for example here. Okay, what is system software? System software, yeah, this is to interact. Yes, system software interact with hardware components. Okay, yes, system software, this is to interact. Okay, interact with hardware components. Interact with hardware components. Okay, hardware components. System software interact with hardware components. For these examples, best example, device drivers. Device drivers, all the device drivers comes on system software. Okay, next way is operating system. Okay, operating system also comes under this category here. OS, operating system comes under this category. Device drivers and operating systems comes under system software. Okay, so first let us see what is device driver. Okay, so what is a device driver? Just about device driver. Okay, 1 second. Yes, what is device driver? So you get to run any device, driver required. Without driver, devices will not work. Without devices, drivers will not work here. Okay, sorry, without drivers device will not work. For every device a driver required. For example, printer. Suppose your system connected to printer, your system connected to printer, even connected to printer, yes, you can't get the printout. Yes, to run that printer some driver required, printer driver, that has to install into your system, otherwise cannot get. Not only printer, suppose your system, yes, your laptop connected to TV, for the some drivers like VGA driver, okay, like HDMI drivers, these drivers required, otherwise cannot. Suppose connected to some scanner, yes, your system connected to scanner, fax machine, okay, for all the devices driver required. Without drivers these devices will not work here. So exactly what is the driver here? So what is exactly the driver here? There's the programs. Yes, in software everything is program. Okay, so drivers. Yes, almost all drivers were developed in C language. Means C programs. These are the programs here. So what is driver? Driver, it's a program. So driver is a program to communicate with hardware components. To communicate with, yes, to communicate with hardware components. To communicate with hardware components. Okay, yes, communicate with hardware components. Next, every device has its own driver. Every device is a driver here. So without driver devices will not work. Okay, then from where we can get all the drivers? Where we can get here? Yes, hardware vendors. Okay, hardware vendors will provide driver. Vendors, yes, who is selling hardware? Okay, that sellers, right? Okay, yes, who is selling hardware, they will provide driver here. Suppose any new device released in the market here, any device released in the market here, the device manufacturer, yes, device manufacturer will provide the driver here. Device, yes, device manufacturer provide driver here. Okay, yes, manufacturer, yes, the device manufacturer will provide the driver. So take the driver, put into your system, and you can use the device. Okay, right? So to run the device here, drivers required. So purpose of device driver is to run the devices. So these things come from system software. Okay, right? Next, ways. What is operating system? Yes, ways. About ways. Yes, our topic is ways. What is operating system? Let us see. What is ways? Okay, here some question for you. Some question. Yes, can we run any program without ways? Without ways, say yes or no. Can we run any program without ways? Question is, can we run your program? Yes, can we run programs without ways? Say yes or no. Yes, someone saying that no here. Yes, next.
No.
Yes, one more guy saying that no. Yes, next. Yeah, here, yes, you can ping. If unable to talk here, you can ping in chat box. Here, this chat box is there in chat box. Yes, here you can ping. Here you can ping. Yes, here you can ping it. Okay, right? Yes, can we run or no? We can't run. Compulsory ways required. Without ways, we can't run any programs. Compulsory ways required. See, suppose for example here, let me take some new document. File, new document. Suppose for example here, for example, learning Java or Python for the purpose of learning softwares. Okay, for the purpose of learning softwares, you might have purchased your laptop hardware, right? Your laptop hardware, right? After purchasing laptop, what is next step? OS. We should install OS, right? Yes, operating system. That operating system we should install it. First hardware, on top of hardware, this is OS, right? So first your laptop, yes, after purchasing that, next we should install OS. After installing OS, next you can install Java or C or Python, something like this. These are called as application softwares. Yes, application softwares. Okay, like C, Okay, C++, Java, yes, maybe Hadoop, yes, maybe Python. All of these things are application softwares. Okay, yes, to run these application softwares, we need OS. Without OS, these programs will not be running. Okay, so all of these programs running on top of OS. Yes, all the programs running on top of OS means like a platform, right? On top of OS is everything is running, so like a platform. Okay, now we can say OS. What is OS? Yes, it's a platform. OS is a platform. Yes, it's a platform where we can run. Yes, where we can run all the application softwares. Where we can run all the application softwares. All the application softwares. Yes, all the application softwares like a platform. On top of OS, everything is running, right? Yes, even MS Office also. For MS Office also, OS required, right? MS Office also running on top of OS like a platform. So OS is a platform where we can run all the application softwares. Not only platform here. Suppose suppose this is Java program, for example here. Java program. Suppose Java program generating some output here. Java program output. So first of all, Java program output. Yes, Java program output goes to OS. Okay. Yes, Java program output goes to OS here from OS. Yes, that will send to output device. Right. So first Java program goes to OS here, OS to output device. Suppose Java program reading from the keyboard. Reading from the keyboard. So first the keyboard data goes to OS, right? Okay, from the OS, the data simply goes to Java program. From the OS, simply the data goes to Java, right? Okay, so Java program output delivered to OS here, from there transfer to output device. So we're reading from the keyboard. So first the keyboard data simply transfer to OS. From there given to Java, right? So between the Java, maybe C program, yes, maybe Python program, yes, all the application software, right? All their application softwares. Okay. So between these application softwares and hardware, there is a OS. There is a OS like a mediator, right? Between application software, yes, there is a OS like a mediator, right? Yes, exactly terminology is a interface. We can say interface. Okay, so OS is an interface. It's an interface between application software and hardware components. Yes, okay. So what is OS? It's a platform where we can run all the application softwares. Next, it is an interface. It is an interface. Yes, it's an interface. Yes, it's an interface between application software and hardware components Okay, and hardware components, right? Okay, so this just idea about OS here. Next, one more thing here. Yes, OS. This is performing input-output operations between application software and hardware, right? For this, every OS has its own input-output library. Yes, IO. Yes, input-output library to perform IO operations between application software and hardware. Yes. So every OS, yes, operating system has its own libraries, its own, yes, input output library, yes, input output library to communicate between application software and hardware components. For example, Windows is having its own library, Linux is having its own library. Like this, every OS there is a library here. Exactly what is library, the topic we'll discuss in Linux. In Linux I'll explain that. Okay, so this is about OS, right? Okay. Yes, all the topics, every topic very clearly prepared in document. See, see the documents. Let us review the document. Okay, till now whatever discussed, let us review document here. Yes, every day after explaining document class here, after explaining topic here, I'll review the document also. Every topic, I'll review the documents. Let us see. See, computer ware basically two categories: hardware and software. Right? There is a hardware and software. Okay, hardware and software, right? Hardware, physical components of a computer. Okay, software, yes, everything is program. Yes, software. See, software, it's a collection of programs such as C++, Java, SQL, and other programs. Okay, software basically two categories: system software, next application software, system software, application software. Okay, system software, this is to interact with hardware components, interacting with the hardware components. Example, device drivers and operating systems, device drivers and operating systems. Okay, device driver, what is device driver? Yes, whatever explained here, it's there in document, very clearly it's there in document. Okay, these are the programs to communicate with hardware components. Okay, next, every device has its own drivers. Okay, next, device drivers are supplied by hardware vendors. Okay, yes, in document everything is prepared here. Printer driver, network drivers means like in wi-fi router kind of some program, right? That is network driver. Bridges, gateways, like the different hardware components, those components kind of network drivers to communicate in the networking here. So they are device drivers. What is OS? See this OS, it's an interface, it's an interface between hardware and application software. Interface between this, right? It's a platform, it's a platform where we can run all the application softwares. Okay, so OS, it's a platform. Next, it's an interface between hardware and application software. Next, every OS has its own libraries to communicate between application software and hardware components. Okay, see this hardware, operating system, and application software, right? So till now, what have we discussed here? Everything is in document here, nothing missing here. Okay, yes. Next, let us see application software. What is application software? This is for the purpose of application development. Application software for the purpose of application development. Yes, applications. Yes, every day we are working with many applications like yes, applications like Google, it's an application. Facebook, it's an application. Gmail, it's an application. Flipkart, it's an application. Amazon, okay, online services, it's an application. Durga website, it's an application. All the applications. How to develop all that applications here? For that purpose, we need some application softwares. Application softwares like Java, C language, C++, Hadoop, Oracle database. All of these things comes from application softwares for the purpose of application development. Clear? Okay. Yes. So this is a topic till now whatever discussed here. Just introduction. This is okay. Next, in operating systems, basically two categories. Okay. Just next 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I will stop the class. Operating systems basically two categories. There is a character interface and a graphical user interface. Character interface, okay, CI and GI. Okay, yes, in operating systems, yes, character user interface or CLI. Okay, yes, character user interface, character user interface, or you can say here, or we can say command line. Yes, it's a command line interface, command line interface. Next, GA. Okay, first one is character user interface or command line interface. Next, GA. Yes, this is a graphical user interface. Okay, see guys, I'm treating like a beginner. That's the reason I'm starting from basics to high end. I will explain it here. Okay, graphical user interface, right? Okay, see Windows OS, here they say command prompt, right? Command prompt, this is called character interface. CLS, clearing screen here. Okay, yes, DAR, some information like this, some list of files and directories here. Okay, suppose CLS clearing screen here, so D colon, that will take to D drive. Okay, DAR, that output here. So DAR means directory here. See here, like something like DAR, my CV is there, right? DAR means directory. This DAR is directory here. That angular bracket directory. These all are directories. What is directory? Directory is similar to folder. Folder, directory, both are same. Yes, in Linux we'll be discussing more about directory here. How to create directory? What is exactly directory here? Different operations of directory we'll discuss in Linux space. Okay, directory is similar to folder. See here, directories. like NRIT, next clients, database, data science here, NRIT Linux list. This is all are directories, right? Yes, NRIT, these are all directories, right? Yes, see same thing, D drive. See that in D drive, D drive, see this, it's a folder, right? All the folders, see that? Same names, right? Folders. Folder directory, both are same. Directory similar to folder. Okay. Yes, in character interface, calling as directory. In character interface, calling as directory here. Okay. Suppose here test is a directory. Test directory. CD test. Changing test location, right? Not DR that contents. CLS clearing screen here DR output like this. Okay. So these are the contents of test directory, right? Test directory. CD means change of directory. Yes, in Linux we'll discuss what is CD command, all things. Yes, if you have the Linux experience, you can work with DOS also. This is DOS, MS DOS base. Okay, it's very easy to work with DOS here. Linux commands similar to Linux commands. Okay. Yes, DAR. See T1, T2, X1, X like this, all the directories. This angular bracket dir means directory. All their directories here. D drive test, right? D drive test. D drive test. Let us go to test here. Test folder. Open that. In test series. T1, T2, X1, X2, X. They are all our folder, right? All our folders. Same thing in character interface. Directory, right? In character interface, calling as directory. Okay. Yes. Graphical interface calling as folder here. Yes, Linux. Let us go to Linux base here. Linux. Yes, in Linux base, yes, character interface and graphical both available. Yes, log into that here. Yes, character. See this Linux. It's a GA. Yes, this Linux GA. Linux folders, all this. Okay, C projects, Hadoop. Okay, Linux documents, Hadoop material, all this, right? This is it's a GA. Yes, here this is a terminal. Double click and open that. Yes, this is LS. Sorry, all the commands here. LS. Okay, so date commands, cal commands. Okay, cal command, something like this. So this is character interface. Linux both facilities available. Yes, we'll discuss next. Okay, so this is character interface and the graphical interface. Clear? Okay. Yes. So this is ways character interface and graphical. Yes, in both cases there is single user and multi user. Yeah, this topic we'll discuss next class. Wait, but tomorrow we'll continue for this. Okay. Yes, just the basics. Yes, I will go very slowly. You don't worry about it. Okay, just slowly I will explain each and every topic. Repeatedly I will explain it. Yes, 2 to 3 times I'll explain it. Yes, if not understanding, you can ask me doubts. I'll repeat it. Every topic I'll repeat it. Okay. Next, even videos available. You can watch the video. After finishing class, again watch it 2 or 3 times. Then easy to understand this is. Okay. Yes, guys, any doubts for today? Yes, class every day 9 o'clock to 10:15 class. Okay, every day class. Yes, 9. Yes, 9 p.m. to 10:15. Okay, 10:15. Yes, by 10:15 I'll finish. Some cases maybe 10:30. Okay, 10:30 p.m. Rare case that is. Okay. Yes, Monday to Saturday class. So Monday to Saturday class. Right? Yes. Next. Anything else? Yes, till end of the course, I will not be taking single leave also. No leaves, no doubt. Every day taking class except Sunday. Right? Yes, in WhatsApp group, you can ping me. Yes, I'll add to group here. Okay. Yes, even I can give it. Yes, my WhatsApp number is 8179189123. This is my number. Just you ping me. Yes, ping me your name. Yes, your name. Okay, next, what's the course you taking here? Okay, next time. What's the time? Okay, name. Yes, maybe some extra that. Yes, course Linux. Course Linux. Yes, just ping me. Okay, Linux. Next time, yes, 9 p.m. Just you mention the time also. Okay, yes, in that group. Yes, already morning batch also going on. That's the reason. Yes, mention the time also. 9 p.m. batch. Yes, morning 7 o'clock. Yes, that's not 7 o'clock. 8:30. One more batch I am taking here. 8:30 Linux batch next to 7 o'clock Hadoop I am taking. Okay, right? Yeah. So this is my WhatsApp number. Yes, even I'm pinging it your that the text box that in yes, chat box. Okay, then easy to take this is yes. Just you ping me. I will add to WhatsApp group. Yes, any doubts are there? Yes, just you can ping me in this group here, or else just ping me personally also. Yes, you can call personally also. Okay. After finishing class, I can talk to personally. Right? Okay. Yes. Any doubts? Yes, guys. Let us wind up for today. Just only introduction given. Tomorrow will be starting actual topic. Okay. Right? Shall we wind up for today?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any doubts you can ask me. No problem. No, don't hesitate. Any kind of doubts you can ask me here. Feel free to ask. Just like your friend. Okay. You can ask any doubts. Okay. At any time, I can give the support here. WhatsApp group. In that any time, night
Class.
up to 1 o'clock. Yes, night up to 1 o'clock, I'll be assisting you. No problem. Okay. Morning. Yes, again, starting from 6 to 7 o'clock. Morning 7 o'clock onwards, I can assist you. Right? Okay. Yes. Okay. That's all for today. Let us wind up. See you tomorrow. Okay. Have a good night.
Good night, sir.